Want to replace your dishwasher's detergent drawer? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What you need: a screwdriver, a new detergent drawer, and a flathead screwdriver. Step 1. Dismantle the door panel from the door. Open the dishwasher door and remove the door panels by unscrewing the screws on the inside of the dishwasher. Then disconnect all cables from the control panel. Step 2. Remove the old detergent drawer. First, disconnect all cables from the detergent drawer. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the metal plates holding the detergent drawer in place. On some models, the detergent drawer is fixed with screws. Then take out the detergent drawer. Step 3. Insert the new detergent drawer. Place the new detergent drawer in place of the old detergent drawer. You can now use a flathead screwdriver to press the metal plates back into place. Then reconnect all cables to their correct places. Step 4. Place back the door panel. Reconnect all cables from the control panel to their correct places. Then reattach the door panels in their correct place by tightening the screws on the inside. You have replaced the detergent drawer and the dishwasher is ready to use again.